Hey guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this video tutorial, I will share technical aspects and techniques of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 45,910 level on February 4, 2022. The closing is above the 11 weeks average level of 44,588. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 46,525 and 43,233 respectively. Last week's close is highest in past 11 weeks, which appears as a bullish sign, but the index is still trading within a triangle pattern and it has failed to declare a bullish breakout. The weekly candlestick retreated from the weekly high and produced an upper shadow, which is nearly 65% of the weekly candlestick's body. This may result in more profit taking. However, a close above the upper boundary of triangle, and high of the last week, will announce a victory for the bulls. The World Call Telecom closed at 2.29 level on February 4, 2022. The closing is above the 11 weeks average level of 2.16. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 2.68 and 2.03 respectively. Technically, the stock is in consolidation. The TREET closed at 40.82 level on February 4, 2022. The close is above the 11 weeks average level of 40.39. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 44.25 and 36.70 respectively. Technically, the stock is consolidating at current levels. The GGL closed at 22.38 level on February 4, 2022. The close is below the 11 weeks average level of 24.20. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 25.49 and 19.31 respectively. Technically, avoid selling, if it respects the support. The TELE card closed at 17.71 level on February 4, 2022. The close is above the 11 weeks average level of 16.58. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 20.45 and 16.46 respectively. Technically, the stock is in consolidation. The Unity Foods closed at 30.90 level on February 4, 2022. The close is above the 11 weeks average level of 26.65. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 33.75 and 29.96 respectively. Technically, the stock is rising. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.